Changes we've made during coronavirus to help stop the spread will continue to play an even bigger part into the future. That's why we all need to keep making COVID-safe choices, like maintaining physical distancing and practicing good hygiene. To protect others, we need to stay at home when unwell with cold or flu-like symptoms, seek medical care if needed, and get tested for COVID-19. If you haven't already, download the COVID Safe app. Find out more at health.gov.au. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.
Good morning and welcome back to Term 3. I hope you've had the opportunity to have a break, some time to relax, some downtime after the hecticness of Term 2. So I hope you've been able to do that over the last 2 weeks of the holidays. I'm really grateful that we're in the position to return to school today and to classes on the first day of Term 3. I do want to extend my thoughts and prayers to those schools in the wider Melbourne area, to their staff, to their students and to their parents for whom today is not the first day of Term 3. It's my hope that these students can return to their classes with their teachers as soon as possible. Throughout this COVID-19 pandemic, it's been our focus as a college to maintain a safe learning environment for all our students. But as we return for Term 3, I want to remind everyone that we have a responsibility to protect not only ourselves, but the whole community. In the local area, we are currently in a fortunate position that we don't have a number of active cases, but it is important that we don't do anything to compromise this. We cannot be complacent about the current situation. I want to remind all our students and staff to regularly wash their hands or use hand sanitizer that is around the college. Keep a safe distance from each other whenever possible, that physical distancing of 1.5 metres. To cough or sneeze into a tissue or into your elbows. Do not share food and do not share drink bottles. And importantly, let your parents know if you're feeling unwell and need to stay home. We will continue our random checks of students for their temperatures, and all staff will have their temperatures taken on arrival at the college. Our cleaning staff have done an amazing job and will continue their increased cleaning routine throughout the college's term. Please support them wherever possible by keeping our classrooms clean and tidy. I'd like to acknowledge our college parents and guardians for their continued support and understanding as we work through this tough situation. As we start Term 2, sadly, we will still be unable to have them back in our college community like normal, but we hope this changes soon. As a college community, we will get through this COVID-19 pandemic, but we all need to be working together and do our parts to reduce the spread. Students, please feel free to talk to your teachers if you have any questions or you feel you need some support. But I also want you to remember that God is with us in times like this. And as the words of the prophet Isaiah says, but for those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, and they will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Welcome back to Term 3, guys. It's great to have you here. I look forward to catching up with you throughout the coming week. Have a great day. See ya.
Physical distancing has been effective in helping us stop the spread of coronavirus, and it's going to remain part of everyday life for some time. So continue to keep your distance from others who don't live in your household, staying at least 1.5 metres apart. Avoid physical greetings like handshakes or hugs. Follow social distancing guidelines in shops and businesses, and always practice good hygiene. Physical distancing is working. Let's keep it up. Together, let's be COVID safe. Visit health.gov.au to learn more. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.